Do you want to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the ocean's surface? Greetings, I'm Enigmadness, your guide on this deep dive into the most mysterious and unexplored parts of our planet. Today, we'll explore the top 10 mysteries of the deep sea, where the unknown lurks in the darkest depths. Make sure to stay until the end, because the number one mystery will truly leave you speechless. Number 10. The Mariana Trench's Giant Squid. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean, and within its inky black depths lurks a creature that has baffled scientists for decades: the giant squid. Reaching lengths of up to 40 feet, these elusive behemoths have rarely been seen alive, with most encounters happening when their bodies wash ashore. But what makes these creatures even more mysterious is how little we truly know about their behavior. Despite advances in technology, sightings of the giant squid remain scarce, and many believe that even larger versions of the species could exist deeper in the trench. What are they hiding from us in the abyss, and why do they seem to avoid detection? Some theorize that these squids may be more intelligent than we give them credit for, perhaps even hunting in packs, deep in the unseen reaches of the ocean. Exploring the Mariana Trench is no easy feat due to its extreme pressures, and that's one of the reasons why the giant squid continues to be such an enigma. Who knows what other colossal creatures might be lurking in the pitch-black waters of this mysterious place? Would you dare venture into the unknown to find out? Number 9. The Bloop. In 1997, a strange and powerful underwater sound was detected by NOAA, the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Known as the bloop, this mysterious noise was louder than any previously recorded sound in the ocean, and it originated from a remote location in the South Pacific. What could have caused such an intense sound deep below the waves? Initially, some believed that the bloop could be evidence of a massive, undiscovered sea creature lurking in the depths. Speculation ran wild, with some even suggesting that the creature might be as large as a blue whale or bigger. But as exciting as that theory was, researchers later proposed that the sound might have been caused by large icebergs breaking off from Antarctica. However, not everyone is convinced. The ocean is vast and largely unexplored, with only about 20% of it mapped in detail. Could the bloop have been something else? A signal from the unknown deep? What do you think? Could there still be ancient, colossal creatures waiting to be discovered in the farthest reaches of the ocean? What else could we find if we listened more closely to the mysteries of the deep sea? Number 8. The Baltic Sea Anomaly. In 2011, a group of treasure hunters stumbled upon a bizarre, unidentified object at the bottom of the Baltic Sea. Resembling a crashed spaceship straight out of a science fiction movie, the anomaly is about 60 meters in diameter and has unusual features that seem unnatural. Some even compare its shape to the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. Could it be a relic from a lost civilization, or even evidence of extraterrestrial activity? Although many scientists argue that the anomaly is simply a natural rock formation, others aren't so sure. The object's peculiar shape, coupled with strange electromagnetic disturbances in the area, has fueled speculation that there might be more to the story. Divers have reported malfunctioning equipment when approaching the site, adding to the mystery. What could this anomaly really be? Is it just a quirky rock formation, or are we looking at a long-lost artifact from another world? Could there be more hidden beneath the Baltic Sea, waiting to be discovered? Number 7. The Mariana Trench. What lurks below? At nearly 36,000 feet deep, the Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the Earth's oceans, located in the western Pacific Ocean. Despite numerous expeditions, the trench remains largely unexplored, and scientists believe it may still hide species and phenomena unknown to humankind. What secrets lie within this dark and forbidding abyss? The creatures that have been discovered are already incredible, like the barrel-leaf fish with a transparent head and eyes that can rotate. But many suspect there are even more bizarre and terrifying creatures dwelling in the trench, far beyond our reach. Some theorize that massive, undiscovered sea monsters could be lurking in the depths, avoiding human detection. What do you think could live in the deepest, darkest corners of the ocean? Are there creatures beyond our wildest imaginations waiting in the pitch-black waters of the Mariana Trench? Number 6. The Submarine Disappearances. Throughout history, several submarines have mysteriously vanished while navigating the deep sea. One of the most famous disappearances occurred in 1968 when the USS Scorpion, a nuclear submarine, vanished in the North Atlantic. Despite an extensive search, only fragments were recovered, and the exact cause of its sinking remains unknown. What could have caused such a modern vessel to disappear so suddenly? Some believe that these submarine disappearances are the result of natural phenomena, like rogue waves or underwater volcanic activity. Others, however, suggest that something more sinister might be at play, perhaps even encounters with underwater UFOs or USOs, unidentified submerged objects. Are these disappearances simply tragic accidents, or could the deep sea be hiding forces or creatures capable of pulling entire submarines into its depths? What are your thoughts? Could there be something unknown stalking our submarines under the waves? Number 5. The Giant Squid. Once thought to be mythical creatures, the giant squid was finally captured on film in its natural habitat in 2012. These massive sea creatures can grow up to 43 feet in length, and their existence was only confirmed after centuries of sailor tales and sporadic carcass discoveries. But the giant squid is still shrouded in mystery. Where do they live, and how do they hunt in the ocean's depths? What makes the giant squid so fascinating is how elusive they've been despite their enormous size. With their massive eyes and powerful tentacles, they're perfectly adapted to the deep sea, yet they remain one of the ocean's greatest enigmas. How have these creatures managed to avoid detection for so long? Now that we've confirmed the existence of the giant squid, could there be even larger or more fearsome creatures out there, still lurking in the abyss? Do you think we've uncovered all there is to know about these giants of the deep, or are there more surprises waiting in the deep ocean? Number 4. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, an area of the Atlantic Ocean between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico, has long been notorious for the mysterious disappearances of ships and airplanes. From the USS Cyclops in 1918 to Flight 19 in 1945, countless vessels have vanished without a trace in this region. What could be causing these disappearances? Some scientists suggest that natural phenomena, such as powerful undersea currents or sudden changes in weather, might be to blame. Others propose more outlandish explanations, including time warps, alien abductions, or even a massive underwater crystal pyramid with strange powers. What's really going on in the Bermuda Triangle? Could there be a scientific explanation behind these disappearances, or is something more mysterious at play? Would you dare sail through the Bermuda Triangle to uncover its secrets? Number 3. The Yonaguni Monument. Off the coast of Japan lies a series of underwater structures known as the Yonaguni Monument. Discovered in 1986, these submerged formations look remarkably like a man-made complex, with features resembling staircases, terraces, and even what appears to be a pyramid. But the most puzzling part is that these structures are estimated to be over 10,000 years old, predating any known human civilization. Some believe that the Yonaguni Monument is evidence of an ancient advanced civilization that existed before recorded history. Others argue that the formations are natural, created by underwater currents and erosion over thousands of years. But the sharp angles and distinct shapes of the monument leave many questions unanswered. Could the Yonaguni Monument be the remains of a lost city, like Atlantis? Or is it simply a strange geological formation? What do you think? Are we looking at the remnants of an ancient civilization or just the work of nature? Number 2. The Milky Sea Phenomenon. Imagine sailing through the pitch-black ocean at night, only to find the sea around you glowing with an eerie, milky light. This is known as the Milky Sea Phenomenon, and it's been reported by sailors for centuries. The phenomenon occurs when vast areas of the ocean light up for miles, but the cause of this glowing water remains a mystery. Some scientists believe that bioluminescent bacteria or plankton are responsible, but no one has been able to confirm this theory. What's even more puzzling is the scale of the phenomenon. Some Milky Seas have been reported to cover areas as large as 16,000 square kilometers. What could be causing the ocean to glow in the dead of night? Is it a natural event, or could something more mysterious be behind this phenomenon? Could we one day unlock the secrets of the glowing seas, or will this mystery remain in the dark forever? Number 1. The Lost City of Atlantis. Perhaps the greatest and most enduring mystery of the deep sea is the legend of Atlantis, a once great civilization said to have been swallowed by the ocean in a single day and night. Described by the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, Atlantis was a highly advanced society that mysteriously disappeared over 9,000 years ago. But was Atlantis just a myth, or could there be some truth to the story? Over the centuries, countless explorers and researchers have searched for evidence of the lost city, with some claiming to have found traces of it off the coast of Spain, in the Caribbean, or even in Antarctica. But despite these claims, no definitive proof of Atlantis has ever been found. Could Atlantis really be out there, hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be rediscovered? Or is it simply a cautionary tale about the dangers of human hubris? Will we ever uncover the truth behind one of the greatest mysteries of the deep sea, or will Atlantis remain lost to history forever? And that's how we conclude this captivating yet enigmatic journey through the deepest mysteries of the ocean. Each mystery we've explored reminds us of how little we truly know about the vast, dark depths that lie beneath the waves. But remember, these stories don't end here. They remain hidden in the shadows of the deep, waiting to be uncovered once again. If you enjoyed this experience and want more stories like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on our next adventure into the unknown. Until next time, brave explorers. Until